So it is the day before Christmas, and this is going to be our Christmas Eve and Christmas Day vlog, and it is starting now. 'Twas the day before Christmas, and all through the house the cat was stalking the bird like a little mouse. Aww, look at this little angel sleeping in the sunlight. So adorable. So I just got out of the shower. I'm letting my hair air dry a little bit. We're going to make a quick Kroger run. We got to pick up some Cokes, and we're also going to be getting something quick for dinner. And then later on, we're going to be opening our presents, and we're going to be watching The Grinch. So I also wanted to ask you guys really quick. So in our family, it's like a tradition. The night before Christmas, which is Christmas Eve, you open all of the wrapped presents under the tree. So it's like gifts from mom and dad, gifts from each other, whatever. And then the next morning when you wake up, you know, when you're younger, obviously not us now, but when you wake up, there's all of your presents that Santa Claus has brought you. So me and Alan were talking about this yesterday, and we were curious to know, what do you guys do in your family? Do you open the presents the night before on Christmas Eve, or do you just wake up and open all of the presents together, as well as, you know, see all of your presents from Santa Claus? We want to know how your family does it. So let us know in the comments down below how you guys do it. Christmas Eve or Christmas morning? Like I said, we open presents Christmas Eve, the ones that are wrapped, and then Santa brings even more the next day. Yeah, just let us know down in the comments below, because we really want to know. So we're in the Kroger now, and Alan is picking up his favorite Kroger brand Coke.
4 for $9.
This is what we're getting for dinner. Kroger's has an awesome meal deal where you get a chicken, mashed potatoes, you get this big French baguette, and then a bag of Caesar salad. $10, you can't beat it. It's a pretty good deal. Load them up, boy. So this is gonna be our Christmas Eve dinner, honey. So yeah, this is our Christmas Eve meal, and the chicken's in here. We just got it double bagged, keeping it warm because I'm boiling some water to make Alan some garlic butter noodles. And so whenever you buy the chicken, you get the mashed potatoes, the Caesar salad, and the bread. It's a meal deal, so I'm gonna be preparing the salad, pop these in the microwave. I haven't tried this particular brand yet, so I'm gonna test these out. And we're also gonna be having some of this bread with our chicken. All right, so got our meal all ready here. We got our chicken, mashed potatoes, salad. We got some olive oil and some balsamic vinegar, bread, garlic butter noodles, and I think Alan is enjoying this food. This is one of our favoriteest things to eat. Absolutely delicious, and we love it. And can't forget that Coke. All right, this is the aftermath, and I need to start cleaning up this kitchen. Ooh, so good. We feasted on Christmas Eve, y'all. So it's officially 7 o'clock, and we said we was gonna open our presents at 7, so that's what we're gonna do now. So me and Alan are gonna be opening our presents, and then Kiki and Cookie is also going to open their present. And we have more presents coming in the mail, but they're in the mail. They were just shipped in the last few days, so we won't be getting them until after Christmas, which isn't cool, but it's whatever. So let's get to these presents. Come on, Kiki.
Come on, Kiki.
Come on.
Kiki. Present.
Come on. Hey, open the present.
The presents, girls. Look. All wrapped.
Kiki thinks she is the present.
Look. Look, it's presents. You have to open it.
You have to use your paws.
Look. Oh, what's inside? Cookie. Cookie, that's not your present. This is.
Uh-oh, what did you get? You got a Christmas kitnip box.
Uh-oh. Open the paper. It's tissue paper.
What did you get?
Look, Cookie, it's a present. It's a gift box and a rattle.
So we got a winter hat. Ooh, filled with catnip. We got a reindeer. We got a stocking. A candy catnip. What was that one? Oh, present. Oh my gosh, yes.
Treat.
Oh, that's cute.
Look at this.
With the glitter or whatever, confetti.
Look at that, new toy.
And then Kittles. Oh, here she is. Here, Kiki, look what you got.
The presents. Santa came and got you all kinds of presents.
Merry Christmas. Look, and you got treats. Chicken and cranberries. Oh my gosh. Oh, you got treats. Oh my gosh. Look at that. A treat for you and a treat for you. Mmm. Yummy. Yummy. Oh. Still your sister's treats. Yeah, we got treats, huh? Here's your toy. Go get your toy. Get your other toy. And your other toy. And your other toy. And this is the aftermath. Who's gonna clean up this mess? You!
Me?
You're gonna clean it. This is fresh out of the oven. Look how cute my little pan is. It's pink with multicolor confetti. I made some fresh banana bread and it looks and smells amazing. I have no clue what it tastes like though, but I guess we'll find out. Good morning, Cookie. Good morning and Merry Christmas. You playing with your Christmas toys you got? Oh, that's so cute. Morning, Kiki. Merry Christmas to you. It's officially Christmas Day. I just threw my hair in a braid really quick because I didn't feel like it flying everywhere when I walk outside. I got my cute little backpack on. We're about to head over to my parents. I want all of you to know that is in cold weather, that it's hot outside today. It's like 70s. 70s on Christmas. What? So yeah, we're fixing to head over there and I'm gonna show you all the food. Ah, I'm so excited to eat. And that was annoying, but okay, let's go. Kiki, Merry Christmas. Wanna get your toys out? Your toys from Terry and Coco. They got you all these beautiful toys. Right, Cookie? You like the mouse? You like the Mouser? Mwah. Merry Christmas, Adia. All right, so we got macaroni just done. We got some baked beans. My dad made some beef jerky, DIY beef jerky. Mom's making the sweet potato bake. Dad made the coleslaw. Dad made the secret recipe sauce. Adia hasn't made anything.
Who is that?
My camera? Who is that? Dad's got the meat out here on the grill. Ooh! We're gonna be eating good today, y'all.
Hello, friends.
I think it's too early for this.
What's that sound?
Huh? Whoa, that was fun. That was fun. Get ready to clap and count with me. Easy as 1, 2, 3.
What are y'all doing over there? That shirt's way too big. So that shirt's way too big for me. Right there. You cruising out pretty dang good. Still a little boring. I mean. Isn't that like a sleeping pillow?
Looks like a blanket and pillow. Another one. He's opening everything over here.
We got nephew Duncan, all these kids. We got Cherry and her husband here. Everybody opening presents. What are y'all doing?
We're in the water.
You're going on a trip in your favorite rocket ship. So we just got home from my mom's. I'm so pooped out. Wanted to show you guys. My mom asked what I wanted for Christmas. I told her I wanted a heating pad, some pajamas, and a house coat, and that's what I got, girl. Look how cute these pajamas are. Hold on, let me hold them up for you. How adorable. They're Bessie Johnson. They're super soft. They're leopard with roses. pants. And then I got a gift card for my sister. And Alan got a gift card also. And this is my robe. It's white. Get back, Cookie. It's white with gray stars. I love it so much. It's so soft. We also got these in. Our friend Lady Tater sent us a Christmas card. She sent us Bath and Body Works foaming hand soap and frosted cranberry. And then she sent us this. She sent us this a while back and it was like Alan's absolute favorite. So she sent us a whole bag, which is so sweet. It's the Bones Coffee Jack-o'-lantern Pumpkin Spice, best ever. And she also sent some of the eggnog, which I could not believe, but she did. She's such a sweetheart. We love everything so much. We love that you got us Bath and Body Works because we love Bath and Body Works. And the cats are trying to eat this coffee. They want it so bad, but we love everything. Thank you, thank you. And then my friend V also sent us a Christmas card. So beautiful, so beautiful. I love it. And yeah, whew, I'm out of breath. So this day is officially over. Christmas is fixing to be officially over and I'm just ready to pass out and go to bed. But I wanted to end this video. Oh, it's so dark in here. That's weird. Anyway, I need to do something with this lighting. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Hope you all had a Merry Christmas. I hope you all have a blessed and happy New Year 2020. And yeah.
Merry Christmas.
Thanks for watching. Merry Christmas and we'll see you next time.
Bye.